So first of all, a big congratulations. The trailer have got a huge response and also this song. So what kind of responses are you getting until now from your friend pertinity of our industry?
Well, a lot of love, a lot of appreciation, and very grateful that people are spreading the love, and in fact, even making memes of our trailer and stuff like that. So it's fun. It's fun watching all of that. Yeah.
Okay, and then ma'am.
For me, I think my favorite response has to be that of my father's, because that was one that I was looking forward to the most, because he hadn't seen anything of the film. So I'm just really happy. He's so excited, and yeah, I think that's the most important, what's the word? Like reassurance
Feedback,
feedback that I needed, and I got it.
Okay, Tara ma'am.
I think there's nothing better than getting great feedback, especially when it's your first film. And so we're just so grateful and excited to see what people say. If this is their reaction to the trailer, I'm dying to see what they have to say about the film.
Okay, this movie is the second part of Student of the Year. So what was the most challenging part of your?
Mine was dance for sure. I think keeping up with both of them, because they're both such trained and they're such good dancers. So for me, dancing was the most important. But I'm lucky that in my first film only I had to scale up and match up to their levels. So now yeah.
So what's the most funniest meme that you've come across?
Funniest meme? There are quite a few. I like the one where the two of us are entering some costume party as
Marvel and DC.
Spider-Man and Wonder Woman.
Yeah,
Both of them are
yeah.
from different.
That was really funny.
Yeah.
One's from Marvel, one's from DC.
DC, yeah.
So I thought that was funny.
Yeah.
ओके टाइगर साहब जानना ये भी चाहेंगे कि फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान जो किरदार आपका है कुछ यादें आपकी ताज़ा हुई किस तरीके से आप जब कॉलेज में गए थे
मैं भाई कभी कॉलेज गए नहीं, तो मुझे मौका मिला दोबारा कॉलेज जाने की, तो आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मुझे एक ऐसा कॉलेज जाने का मौका मिला जहाँ पर पढ़ाई बहुत कम होती है. तो आई जस्ट फेल्ट इट वाज ग्रेट. आई वुड लव टू बी इन अ कॉलेज व्हिच इज़ फुल ऑफ कंपटीशन और स्पोर्ट्स और नाच गाना बहुत है, तो मज़ा आया सर. थैंक यू.
इस स्क्रिप्ट को कितना फॉलो किया आपने या फिर इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस होती हैं कि लिखा
आई थिंक ज़्यादातर इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस सेट पे होते रहती है. जैसे कि आप मेरे साथ बागी में थे, तो आपको याद है हम सेट पे भी कुछ चेंजेस करते थे. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ज्योग्राफी या सेट का माहौल या आपके को एक्टर्स जिस तरह वो रिएक्शंस दे रहे या डायलॉग क्यूज दे रहे, आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ वी सॉर्ट ऑफ इम्प्रोवाइज्ड. एंड या
तो टाइगर जी, आज इस फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान और मतलब शूटिंग के दौरान ऐसे कोई मोमेंट्स आप लोगों के लिए जो हमेशा यादगार हो जाएंगे आपके लिए, ऐसा कोई मोमेंट हुआ?
आई थिंक ऐसे तो काफ़ी मोमेंट्स थे. मुझे याद है जब हम लोग एक्चुअली आई वुड से हमारी फिल्म की जो मुहूर्त शॉट था, आई थिंक दैट वाज वो काफ़ी यादगार है, खासकर क्योंकि इट वाज द फर्स्ट शॉट ऑफ द थ्री ऑफ अस इन अ धर्मा फिल्म, देयर फर्स्ट एवर शॉट. So I think the Morat shot of Student of the Year too.
Yeah.
Okay, Tiger sir, the ex-student Alia Bhatt has done a special song hookup. So how was the experience for you?
बहुत मज़ेदार एक्सपीरियंस रहा. और I got to see Alia work live, which was a treat for me. काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग था, क्योंकि बहुत इतना सक्सेस होने के बावजूद भी अभी भी इतनी मेहनती है और इतनी सिंसियरली हर कुछ करती है. जस्ट हर वर्क एथिक एंड द वे शी यूज्ड टू रिहर्स और हाउ फोकस्ड शी इज़ ऑन सेट, तो वो काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग लगा मुझे.
Okay, and then do you feel pressurized because you come from a filmy background and you have a pressure? Do you feel any pressure?
I think I do, because my dad has such good comic timing. So I think that's something that I always hear, that did you inherit that comedy from your dad? And my character in the film is also pretty funny, and she gives these one-liners. So I think pressure is there, especially in the comedy department, which I'll try to hopefully live up to.
I think you're pretty funny though.
Thanks.
You've done a good job.
Thank you. Fingers crossed.
Good evening to you.
Hi,
sir.
Many congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's hardly 7 days to go now.
Yes, yeah.
it's too soon.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the big turnaround in your life? For the two girls?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think you can ever prepare yourself for something, you know, as big as this.
Yeah.
The build up to this film has been so special and so magical. I don't think we expected any of what we're,
Yeah.
you know, what we've already received. So we're so grateful for all of that. I think, you know, every day there are little changes that happen, and it's very new and fun and exciting. And I'm looking forward to seeing what the next month has in store.
Like yesterday we went to Jaipur to that mall,
Yeah.
and I think that was the first time Tara and I had seen so many people,
So
and we just
overwhelming,
couldn't
you
speak.
know.
So I think we're really
Just very
excited.
overwhelmed.
Yeah.
टाइगर आप इनको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे क्योंकि probably ये प्रोसेस आपके समय भी आया था तो since they are having the first day first Friday of their life in terms of releasing आप इनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे
बस ये कहना चाहूँगा कि this is the beginning of some of the best days of your life, and just want to say all the best, and don't take everything to your heart so seriously, and there will always be, you know, ups and downs in your life, but I pray that this is just going to be a big up in your life and a good start to both your lives. Yeah.
अनन्या and तारा आपको पता है मतलब टाइगर like how hard working is टाइगर मिस्टर सलमान खान ने कहा है कि like जब वो किसी को बातें कहते हैं तो they say कि like if you can match up to the hard work of Mr. Tiger Shroff then only you think about coming in films.
Wow, okay.
So आपको
सलमान सर ने कहा मेरे बारे में?
जी
Wow, that's cool.
ये जब चीज़ें आपकी प्रतिभा के लिए कही जाती हैं तो कितना रीअश्योरिंग और कितना आत्मविश्वास आता है
बहुत
आपको?
अच्छा फीलिंग है, पर अभी ऐसा लगता है कि ज़िम्मेदारी बढ़ गया है क्योंकि मुझे बार बार उस चीज़ को साबित करना पड़ेगा और बार बार मुझे डिलीवर करना पड़ेगा रिज़ल्ट, एग्ज़ाम का रिज़ल्ट अगर आप कह सकते हैं, एज स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन से दैट, बट दैट्स वेरी वेरी स्वीट ऑफ सलमान सर टू थिंक कि मैं हाउ यू से उसका लायक हूँ। हालांकि मुझे नहीं लगता, मुझे लगता कि बहुत सारे मेहनती आर्टिस्ट हैं, बहुत सारे टैलेंट है जहाँ मेरे से बहुत आगे है, पर जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट सलमान सर सेड दैट अबाउट मी मेक्स, यू नो, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट अवार्ड फॉर मी। तो
बहुत हम्बल है ना तारा ये
बहुत ज़्यादा
इतनी सरलता से आप सारी चीजें कहते हैं, इतनी प्रतिभा है आप में, इतने हार्ड वर्क
उसकी बेस्ट क्वालिटी है
सबसे
ह्यूमिलिटी।
हमें थोड़ा आभास होता है लेकिन आप तो साथ में रहे हैं तो ज्यादा मालूम होगा।
हकीकत है सर।
हाँ।
So there was a buzz that in the fire that happened at Dharma Productions go down, some props of the latest upcoming film got burned. So
Which film?
Like SOT.
SOT was really? I hope not.
They did what about our film? No.
I
इनका
heard
बचा
that.
लिया शायद।
नहीं, फिर भी overall
Yeah, but
that's
it's
a very
sad
unfortunate
loss,
thing,
yeah.
and I'm sure that you know, there were a lot of valuables and all
Yeah.
that have unfortunately been perhaps lost, but
That's very sad.
yeah.
अनन्या तारा आप लोग मतलब जैसे फिल्म रिलीज उससे पहले स्टार्स बन चुके हैं, like people are loving and you must have seen the euphoria you both have created with the fans and the social media. How do you take these things?
It's very flattering for the both of us that before our film people like us, but I really hope that it translates and materializes and people actually watch our film, because we're here to act at the end of the day, and I really hope that people like us as actors and they like our film as well.
But having said that, I think it's very exciting. I think not many people get to experience so much at once, and I think that's definitely one of the ups of being in this profession and also being an actor with Dharma, and we're very very blessed and lucky to be getting this kind of, you know, already getting a certain amount of appreciation that we're very grateful for.
Yeah.
Audition तो नहीं होते थे, हर जगह photographers आ जाते
No,
हैं।
it's they're very
No, they're
sweet,
so
all of them. I
sweet.
think we've become friendly now, so
Yeah.
it's nice.
Yeah,
It's
they're
sweet.
very nice.
It's exciting,
And they're doing their
Maintain
job.
रखना आ गया आपकी बात की, they are sweet.
of
Huh?
course we'll maintain.
Yeah, no, they're very kind.
सबका काम धंधा चलना
Yeah,
चाहिए।
I think they're all so nice. Yeah.
अनन्या, आपके पिताजी ने आपको क्या सलाह दी जब उनको पता चला कि आपको फिल्म में आना है?
I think
हमने टाइगर से भी यही सवाल पूछा था।
उन्होंने कोई एडवाइस नहीं दी क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि उनका टाइम बहुत अलग था, तो उन्हें लगता है कि अभी वो अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते। पर आई थिंक मैंने बहुत उनके बिहेवियर से सीखा है, उनके सक्सेसेस और फेलियर्स की वजह से वो कभी नहीं बदले। तो आई थिंक मुझे भी ऐसा बनना है, मुझे भी जोक्स इतनी आसानी से लेने हैं जैसे वो लेते हैं। वो हमेशा खुद पर जोक्स क्रैक करते हैं, तो आई वांट टू ग्रो अ थिक स्किन लाइक हिम, एंड या
तो तारा बॉलीवुड से कोई एक ऐसा नाम जिससे आप कुछ सीखना चाहे, बॉलीवुड में एंट्री हुई तो आप उनसे कुछ
ये
सीखना
That's
अनन्या है,
Ananya,
तारा।
ma'am.
तारा है ना?
तारिया is also-
Taranya's fine. You can ask both of us.
Daria.
तारा।
Sorry, ma'am. Could you repeat the question?
बॉलीवुड में आपने एंट्री की है तो बॉलीवुड का कोई एक ऐसा नाम जिससे आप कुछ सीखना चाहेंगे आगे बॉलीवुड में सक्सेस के लिए?
I think मैं दीपिका और प्रियंका को I really look up to both of them as women and as working professionals in our industry. I feel like as women they're really strong and empowered women with their choices in film, whether they're producing film, whether they're in India or abroad. I think there's a lot to look up to in that sense, and so definitely Deepika and Priyanka.
Mine are Alia and Kareena. I love Alia and Kareena, and I think that the kind of films that they do and the kind of actors that they are is something that I aspire to be. So hopefully one day.
ओके टाइगर सर, रीमिक्स का टाइम है, गानों के रीमिक्स हो रहे हैं, फिल्मों के रीमिक्स हो रहे हैं। जैकी सर की कोई एक फिल्म जो आपके दिल के बेहद करीब हो और आपको लगता हो कि यार ये किरदार मैं कभी प्ले कर पाऊँ तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी?
यार मैं चाह के भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा यार, क्योंकि
आप उनकी कोई एक फेवरेट फिल्म जो आपके दिल के बेहद करीब हो सर?
परिंदा का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ मैं, पूरी पिक्चर, खासकर पापा का किरदार कर नहीं पाऊँगा, पर अगर आप पूछ रहे हो तो हाइपोथेटिकली इमेजिन कर सकता हूँ। आई लाइक टू उनका इंट्रोडक्शन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा परिंदा में, और क्लाइमैक्स सीन जो था नाना जी के साथ, आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक दोज टू सीन्स।
Okay, Tara ma'am, one of your interview you have said that you look up to Kangana Ranaut, and Kangana have said that the person who comes from outside the Bollywood, it's very difficult to get the films. So how difficult it was to you get your first film option?
I actually said that I look up to all of the women that are senior to us in the industry, whether it is Priyanka, as I just said. You know, all of them, they're just so good in their own way. So I think I can't even choose really one actress. I think definitely Priyanka and Deepika for sure as well. I think I'm very lucky with this film. I mean, I auditioned for it, of course, when I just graduated from college. So it wasn't a struggle in the sense that you know bad things didn't happen, things that one would usually. I've been asked a lot of questions like this, so I think I'm really fortunate that I'm you know, my debut is with Dharma Productions and with Student of the Year too, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. So
Thank you.